Hello everyone, it's Chrissie and welcome to No Chintz and the Willoughby store. We've got this wonderful curtain display here in Willoughby, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about new curtain trends and what I'm seeing out there coming from our textile wholesalers in what people are choosing nowadays to cover their windows with. And one of the most interesting trends I've seen is this very large fabric mural material that's available. And here's a good example here. This wonderful crane design made up, it's printed on a linen, and we've put a sheer lining behind it to protect it from the sun's elements, but we've done that so that you can see it still keeps a very soft drape, and it allows the light to filter through it during the day, and it would sort of really highlight the design. And wouldn't this look beautiful in a very contemporary soft grey interior with some black lacquered furniture and that? It would add such a fabulous luxurious feel to a bedroom or a formal living room. And the other thing is, if you wanted to block a fabric like this out, you would do a separate curtain or blind. So that's the large mural trend. And this one is from, I believe, Textiles. They're a great wholesaler of beautiful quality furnishing fabrics. Now, the other trend that we've been noticing is the pattern on pattern trend, which is very big with the sort of out of England, people like Kit Kemp and Australia's own Ennispiro have been the figureheads for this trend. And that is where you've got a patterned wallpaper, and then you've got another patterned window covering. The patterns talk to each other, and they often relate in color. However, they don't match. They actually sit and sort of have a slight sort of companionable clashing, you could say. So we've got this one here. Now, that might be too much for you. So the other way you could go if you wanted to is this way, which is much softer and a bit more contemporary. And you could bring a fabric that does talk a little bit more in a softer way to that wallpaper, but it has a little bit more of a lighter, easier pattern. Now, thank you for listening to me talk about curtains and patterns. And if you wish, please call into the No Chintz stores, because we are experts at soft furnishings, particularly curtains and blinds. And we are very adventurous, and we're more than happy to go along the journey with you and help you.